say he's pissed off.
Right now, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm not threatening you. I'm pissed off. Yes, sir. Not a very wise man, are you? Put your hands together.
What the fuck? They're detaining him because he said I'm pissed off at you guys.
You ever been booked for DUI, young man? You're gonna get booked for DUI tonight.
Chan, chan, chan.
It's not wrong, dude. You're drunk. Flying down the street and then talking smack. Not very smart, man. It's not smart at all. So you're gonna go inside out, you're gonna sit in our car.
Nice, Chandler. You don't want her to videotape. Oh, you're inciting chan, chan, chan.
Hi, is there a reason why you're videotaping?
Because I can.
Pardon me?
I record the police. To make sure that police interaction is appropriate. You know, police accountability. I'm recording the police. It really has nothing to do with you guys. Just want to make sure that they treat him right or you guys right. It's just police accountability.
Who are you?
I'm Laura. I record the police.
From where?
From where?
Yeah, where do you live?
Why would I tell you where I live? I'm recording the
Well,
police.
you know
It has
where I
nothing to do
live.
with you. And well, I guess technically, but I don't know who you are. This isn't about you.
That's her son right there,
That's-
so
yeah.
she
Okay.
prefer that you not.
But
have
this
it
is the
right
police
there
that I
anyway.
record.
I'd rather
Do you want to
not.
make sure that they treat your son right? That's
We're-
what I'm here for.
We're here.
That's what I record for.
But
It's
we're-
called
we're-
accountability
we're-
because
we're
police don't always act right.
We understand. We're the police officer too.
Great.
Still want you. There's no reason. There's nothing going on.
There's police. That's why I'm recording.
I understand, but
Just-
we're watching.
Thanks, Chandler. Jackass. She never told me to put her face on. You guys called us here to help you out. We arrested your son. Apparently they took a long time. They've been calling him all night, and they just finally showed up. I don't know if something happened with this car, though. Doors all open. He's like, go tell her if you don't want her to record. Thanks, bud. Or you could just be like a decent cop and say, she's allowed to. Leave her alone. I don't know, whatever. Thinks it's funny. Joke's on you, bud. Macho, macho man. I want to be a macho man. Was that the village people? Anyway. One of my commenters has said, or actually a couple, has said that he looks like one of the village people. Oh, motherfucker. See, if I would have gone any closer, it could have been on. Hold on. I swear to God, people, this is like the 100th fucking spider I almost ran into. Dude. This is a fucking dangerous job, people. Serious shit. See that motherfucker? God damn it. Oh well, fuck it. Sorry. Did I ever mention Chandler loves me? Doesn't give two shits. Loves to incite. Loves to egg people on to fuck with me. Loves to get them all pumped up for nothing. Just do your job, yo. Alright? Stop being such a fucking hard ass. It's a fucking mock. Oh no. Oh. Joke. Hearing something behind me. Fucking raccoon, I bet. Are you talking about me again, motherfucker? I swear to God. Shit, this is a little talk it. Why don't you just talk about me? Seriously. It's flattering. Keep it up. Yeah, I know. Here, son, right here. I just gonna go ahead and rest your son. You know, he's a poof. He's not happy. I guess this car got broken into twice, and he's called them, and they don't come out until just now. But I'm gonna as soon as he's pushing the. Oh, look at him! Letting him go. Oh, that's nice. Oh.
You're gonna make my mom move my car. You guys are assholes. Okay? You arrested the wrong person. There's motherfuckers raided my mom's car. And you put me in handcuffs. You fucking assholes. Assholes.
That's right. He hears me laughing. They're making his mom move his car. That was nice of him not to arrest him. Fuck you. What a jackass. Chandler, always at the fucking spotlight. Fucking dick.